इधर से इधर से इधर से उठा 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 प्रणय नीचे से नीचे से नीचे ऊपर से नहीं ये यस यस कम ऑन गोल्डन हार्ट वॉलेंटियर अंदर रखो उसको
तो आप निकल जाओ बाहर निकलो
वो थोड़ा आराम करने के लिए बैठ गया था हाउ आर यू फीलिंग so sad you can see we are now prepared for distributing cooked food. These are the packets you can see here. Everybody is playing their important role in this distribution. You can see in this carton we have cooked food packets. Here also we have cooked food packets. So now we are going to distribute. What is this logo? What is this logo? Golden Heart Club. Very good. You can see now we are preparing carrots and it will be distributed now. So preparation is going on for distribution. Pranay, Golden Heart volunteer, Roshan Bhaiya and Golu and Anil Chandurkar sir. Everybody doing their work and he is Pankaj. He is Pankaj Jadhav. फोटो ले लेना एक स्टैंडिंग में सूरज की packing is going on in Ashoka Budhvihar. You can see almost done the packing. Now in few minutes we will start distributing it in needy and poor people and migrant workers in Bhopal city. We are thankful to all the kind well-wishers who are supporting us regularly, due to which we are able to provide them cooked food, raw food material, and thankful to all the volunteers also who are working regularly. Without their help and support we would not be able to do so much work for humanity in this COVID-19 pandemic time. So sadhu 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 to all the well-wishers, all the volunteers, supporters for their regular support and help for the noble cause. So today we have came to Bapu Nagar. It is near Kamla Nagar police station, and this is a slum area in Bapu Nagar. where we are distributing cooked food today. 400 cooked food packets. So you can see Bhupendra Taiwade sir, Pranay distributing cooked food, and these are the children's, underprivileged children's here, belonging to very poor family background, and in this lockdown time they are suffering the most because there is no work, so their parents are not going anywhere for work, so no money, so there is lots of problems with them. So we are trying a little help for them, to provide little help. So we are thankful to all the kind well-wishers and donors who have supported this noble cause. It is because of them we are able to continue distributing cooked food to underprivileged children, poor, needy, helpless and homeless people. So we are thankful to everybody. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.